very happy to take this video class for you. First of all, I want to thank our principal sir and management for giving me this opportunity. I am going to take 12th business maths for you. Our first chapter is applications of matrices and determinants. Already in 11th standard you have learned matrices and determinants. Now this year you are going to learn about the applications. In this concept, see here, our first definition is rank of a matrix. How we have to find the rank of a matrix we are going to see now. See, let the rank of the matrix is the order of a largest non-zero minor of A. It is denoted by, this is the symbol of rank of a matrix. It is denoted by row of A. This is not P, this is row of A. See, next our key point is row of A, always it should be greater than or equal to 0. If you consider a matrix A of order m cross n, then the row of A is always less than or equal to its minimum value of m or n. Here take the minimum value. Next, the rank of a 0 matrix is 0. The rank of a, always the 0 matrix will be, its rank will be 0. Next our point is the rank of a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means our determinant A value is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then it is said to be a non-singular matrix of order n cross n. N cross n means if row and column are equal, then the value is n. Then the value of the rank of the matrix is n. See, I will explain with one problem. Find the rank of the given matrix 5, 6, 7, 8. First, you have to consider this matrix as A. Let A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, you have to write the order of the matrix. What is the order of the matrix? Order of A is, order means you have to write the row and column. Here how many rows are there? How many columns are there? See, this is row. First row, second row. This is column C1, C2. Here totally how many rows and columns are there? 2 rows and 2 columns. So our order of A is 2 cross 2. Then our rank will be, row of A will be, always it is less than or equal to this 2. This is only our definition. See here, our row of A will be greater than or equal to 0, but it always will be less than or equal to minimum value of m or n. Here our m and n value both are same, n cross n. So you have to take n value, that is 2. M also here 2, n also 2. So we are writing row of A is less than or equal to 2. Now we have to consider, this is 2 by 2 matrix. So you have to consider second order minor. Second order minor. That means you have to find the value of the determinant. See here, our question is 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to find the value for this determinant. You have to write matrix in determinant form so that you can find the value of minor. Now you find the value. You have to cross multiply this. Find the leading diagonal. Multiply this leading diagonal. 40 minus 42. 40 minus 42 is minus 2. Actually this is not equal to 0. See here our definition. Rank of a matrix is the order of the largest non-zero minor. So it should not be equal to 0. So our rank of matrix A is, if it is not equal to 0, you have to write this order. What is the order here? 2 cross 2. So our answer is 2. Next problem is, find the rank of the given matrix 1, 4, 2, 8. So write let A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 8. What is the order of the matrix here? How many rows, how many columns here? For this problem also 2 rows and 2 columns. So order of A matrix is 2 rows and 2 columns. That means what is the rank of the matrix? Always it will be less than or equal to 2. So row of A is less than or equal to, what is the order here? 2 cross 2. So 2. Now you have to consider 2 cross 2 means you have to take second order minor. 3 cross 3 means you have to take third order minor. So consider second order minor. That means you have to find the value of the second order determinant. Determinant 1, 4, 2, 8. Find the value here. Now you have to multiply the leading diagonal. That means you have to multiply this. Then this you have to subtract. Multiply 1 8 is 8 minus 4 2s are 8. Here we got 0. But our definition is it is the largest non-zero minor. So again you have to consider next order. After second order you have to consider first order minor. So consider first order minor. Second order minor means your determinant has to contain only 2 rows and 2 columns. Your first order minor means your determinant value it should be only in 1 row and 1 column. That means you can take any one of the element. Here 1. This is the determinant. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, our row of A is equal to, what is the order for this matrix? 1 row and 1 column because only one element. So, row of A is 1. Of the matrix. See, let A is equal to the given matrix. What is the order here? How many rows and how many columns? 3 rows, 3 columns. So 3 cross 3. What is the rank of the matrix? We have to find the rank of the matrix. Our rank of A is always less than or equal to this matrix order 3. So we have to consider third order minor because our rows and columns is 3 cross 3. So consider third order minor. That means our determinant should be in the 3 by 3 determinant form. So write the values 2 minus 1 1, 3 1 minus 5 1 1 1. Find the value of the determinant. See here, I am going to take this first one 2. If you are taking this value means you have to eliminate this column and row this element belong. Then you have to multiply this remaining elements. 1 is 1 minus of this one is minus 5. So minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 5. Next you have to take this element. Actually the determinant sign is plus minus. See here. If it is 3 by 3, the sign is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. You have to use this symbol. So minus of minus 1. Now eliminate this column and row this element belong. Next you have to take this cross multiply this values. So 3 minus of minus 5. Minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Again last element is 1 plus 1. Now you eliminate this row and column this element belong. Next you have to cross multiply this. 1 3 is 3 minus of 1 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next you simplify and you have to get this value. 6 2s are 12 plus 8 plus 2. If you add this you got 22. This is not equal to 0. If it is 0, next you have to consider second order minor. But it is not equal to 0. So rank of A is equal to our order. What is the order here? 3 by 3. So the rank of A is 3. Next our next problem is find the rank of the matrix. This is also 3 by 3. See, let A is equal to minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 4. What is the order here? What is the order of A? How many rows and how many columns? 3 rows and 3 columns. Like this model you have to do this problem. So what is our row of A? It is always less than or equal to, here our order is 3. So you have to write less than or equal to 3. Now consider 3 by 3. So you have to consider third order minor. Third order minor. Find the determinant value here. Minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 4. Now I am going to solve this determinant. See here, first you take minus 1 into, what is the determinant? If you can't understand, you can write this step also. Minus 3, 4, 4, minus 4. Minus of here, plus, minus, plus. So take minus 2 into, eliminate this row and column. What is remaining determinant here? 4, 4, minus 2, minus 4. Again, What is our question? Minus 2. So plus into minus 2. Now eliminate this row and this column. What is remaining here? 4 minus 3 minus 2, 4. Now you can multiply. Minus 1 into, multiply this, 4 3s are 12. Minus 4 4s are 16. Minus 2 into 4 4s are 16. Minus 16. Already here one minus is there. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8. Again plus into minus is minus. 2 into 4 4s are 16. Minus 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus plus. Now you solve this. Minus of minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 16 plus 8. Minus 2 into 16 minus 6 is 10. So what is the answer? 4 minus 2 into 16 minus 8 is minus 8. 10 2s are 20. Now again you simplify this. 4 minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16. So plus 16 minus 20. So 16 plus 4 is 20 minus 20. This is equal to 0. So our answer should not get 0. So in third order minor we got 0. So now you have to consider second order minor. 2 rows and 2 columns. Now you cross multiply this leading diagonal. 1 3 is 3. Minus into minus plus. Minus 4 2s are 8. So our answer is minus 5. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, our rank of A matrix is, this is not equal to 0 means you have to write this order as rank. This is 2 by 2. So rank of A is equal to 2. That's all this problem. Next I am going to explain elementary transformation. See, this method we will use it for 3 by 4 matrix. Easily we can solve this problem using this elementary transformation method. See here, you can interchange any 2 rows or column in the matrix. Ri you can interchange and write it as Rj. Rj you can write it in the place of Ri. See here, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can interchange and write this 2 rows. Next our second point is multiplication of each element of a row or column by any other non-zero scalar. You should not multiply with 0. Instead, you can multiply with any number. See here, suppose this is the matrix, this row, this entire element you can multiply by any number. This is the second point. Next our third point is addition to the elements of any row or column, that same scalar multiples of corresponding elements by any other row or column. That means, see here, suppose I am considering this matrix, you can multiply this. See, this is R1, this is R2. Now, for finding R1, I am going to multiply this row with suppose 2 R2. Then you can add. For finding the answer, we can use this. You can multiply any row with any scalar. Then you can add with the any row. For that, we are using this third point. We are going to see about equivalent matrices. Then we are said to be both the matrices are equivalent. If one matrix is obtained from the other by the help of elementary transformation. Already I said that elementary transformation. With the help of elementary transformation, if one matrix is obtained from the other, then it is said to be an equivalent matrix. This is the symbol for equivalent matrix. Next we are going to see about equivalent form of matrix. Equivalent form of matrix, we have to use it for 3 by 4 matrix. Then easily you can get answer if you use this equivalent form of matrix. See here, now what is the order of matrix? Order of A is, how many rows, how many columns here? 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. Then what is the rank of matrix? See here, rank of A is less than or equal to, if it is 3 by 3 you will write 3, but here 3 by 4. That means here write which is minimum here. Here 3. So rank of A is less than or equal to 3. Now I am going to transform the matrix, A to an equivalent form. In this method easily you can solve this problem. For that, first you have to write matrix A. Next, we are going to use elementary transformation in echelon form. So, elementary transformation. What are all the rows and columns we are going to interchange here to write here. So now, see one thing I want to say you, see in echelon form, our matrix should be, first you have to write, you have to get only 1 here, not any other number. Then below that rows you have to get zeros. Here you can get any number 3, 4, 5, anything you can get. Here also 2, you can get 0 also here. But below this one, always you have to get zeros. Then you have to get 3, 4, 5, 6, any number you can write. Then this triangle shape has to come below this one. This is only echelon form of a matrix. So I am going to solve this problem using this echelon form with the help of elementary transformation. See here, our matrix A is 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 6, 3, minus 7. See, what I said already, our first element in the first row will be 1. Here already 1 is there. So you no need to change anything. But next thing you have to get 0 here. So அப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம், நம்ம இங்கே 0 வரணும்னா அப்போ எதையோ நம்ம சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும், or you have to multiply with any scalar. இப்போ நம்ம இங்கே 2 இருந்தோம்னா we can write 2 minus 2 0. அப்போ first what you have to do, you have to multiply this r1 by 2. So I am going to write, இப்போ நான் r2 0 வரதுக்கு நான் என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன், r2ல இருந்து மைனஸ் பண்ண போகிறேன். இந்த 2லேருந்து இதை மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். ஆனால் எனக்கு இங்கே r1 என்ன வேணும், I get 2. அப்போ தான் 2 minus 2 0 வரும். So I am going to multiply r1 with 2. இதுதான் elementary transformation. இப்போ r2 place எனக்கு 0 வரணுன்றதுனால I am multiplying r1 by 2. Then only I get என்ன வரும், 2 minus 2 எனக்கு 0 வரும் 1க்கு கீழே. So now multiply and write. See, உங்களுக்கு இங்கே கன்ஃபியூஷனாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா you can write here. See here, write r2. What are the elements of r2? 2, 4, 1. In rough column you have to do this. r2 எழுதிட்டு. Now I am going to multiply r1 with 2. So r1 and 2 all multiply பண்ணுங்க. First here 1. So multiply with 2, 2. Here 2. 2 2s are 4. Here minus 1. So multiply with 2, minus 2. 3 2s are 6. Now I am going to subtract. Now இப்போ subtract பண்ணுங்க, என்ன வரும், plus minus ஆயிடும், minus ஆயிடும். 0, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, minus 8. இதுதான் என்னோட new R2. இப்போ நான் ரோவை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோ யூ ஷுட் நாட் சேஞ்ச், அது அப்படியே தான் இருக்குது. ஐ எம் சேஞ்சிங் R2 வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் எலிமெண்ட்ரி டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன். இப்போ என்னோட R2 என்னவாயிடுச்சு, 0, 0, 3, minus 8, 3, R3 நான் அப்படியே எழுதிக்கிட்டேன். Okay, this is, here you have to write equivalent matrix. Equivalent matrix, here you should not put equivalent, because this matrix is obtained from this matrix because of the elementary transformation. This is our rule in elementary transformation. Now இப்போ என்ன பண்ணும், எனக்கு below this also I have to get 0, because in echelon form எனக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும், இந்த triangle I have to get 0. அப்போ எனக்கு இது 0 ஆகணும், this also I want to be 0. அப்போ இது 0 ஆகணும்னா ஏதோ பண்ணணும், I have to subtract or I have to multiply. இப்போ இங்கே நான் இங்கேருந்து இங்கே subtract பண்ணணும்னா here it should be 3, here 3 இல்லை. அப்போ first I have to multiply this r1 by 3. Multiply பண்ணிட்டு then I have to subtract here. See here, last row I have to get 0 here. So I am going to multiply first row with 3. Then I have to subtract. See here. So this is equivalent to, you should not change first row and second row. What is our first row element? 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Second row we got 0, 0, 3, minus 8. I have to find third row. So R3 I have to find. R3 I am going to subtract with R1 with the multiple of 3. R1 and என்ன பண்ண போறேன், 3 ஆல multiply பண்ணி I am going to subtract. So now you write. For your understanding I am writing here. If you don't know need, you can write. What is our R3? 3, 6, 3, minus 7. 3 R1. That means you have to multiply R1 with 3. So 3, 6, minus 3, 3 3s are 9. Now you subtract. 0, 0, minus into minus plus 6. if you add this minus 16. So our R3 is 0, 0, 6 minus 16. This is our matrix. Now we got echelon form of matrix. See here, all the zeros form a triangle shape. We got 1. Therefore, now the matrix is an echelon form. How you have to write answer means you have to write the non-zero values. Here what are all the non-zero values? See here also you can multiply this with 2. Then you will eliminate this. So again I am going to multiply this R2 with 2. See here. So R2 I am going to write R3 minus 2R2. So this is equal to, first row you should not change, 0, again you multiply this with 200, 0, 3 2s are 6. See, our R2 is, what is our R3? 0, 0, 6 minus 16, 2R2. So multiply this with 2, 0, 0, 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16, minus 16. So now you subtract this, minus plus, you will get 0 in R2. So this is 0, 0, 0, 6 minus 16. Now this is in echelon form. How many non-zero rows are there? Only 2 rows. So therefore, non-zero rows, row of A is equal to 2. That's all. See, our last problem is, let A is equal to the given matrix. What is the order here? 3 rows and 4 columns. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 4 columns. So 3 by 4. What is the rank of A? It should be less than or equal to, which is minimum here, 3. So you have to write rank of A is less than or equal to 3. I am going to transform this matrix to an echelon form with the help of elementary transformation. So write the matrix A. Now I am going to do, here in the first row, first element, I have to get 1. So I am going to interchange first row and third row. Interchange and write here. Here you have to write R1 is interchange as R3. R3 is interchange as R1. Next what I have to get? Below this one I have to get 0. So adhanala enna panna poren? Idu rendiyum subtract panna poren. R2 in this I have to get 0. So R2 minus R1. Subtract and write here. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. 1 minus minus 2 plus aidum. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Here minus 2, minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. The last row எடுத்து அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க. Here you should not change anything. இப்போ next எனக்கு என்ன வரணும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, here I have to get 0. So அதனால நான் என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன், திரும்ப first row 3 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி இது ரெண்டையும் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ண போகிறேன். So my R3 I am going to multiply R1 by 3, then I am going to subtract. See, R3 பாருங்க, இது ரெண்டையும் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணி இது 3 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி இது ரெண்டையும் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணி எழுதியிருக்கேன். Now here I have to get 0. அப்போ எனக்கு இங்கே 0 வரணும்னா இப்போ நான் இதை என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன், 2 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி இது ரெண்டையும் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ண போகிறேன். See, I got 0, 0, 0, 7. Now I got see 1, the triangle shape வந்துருச்சு. Now the matrix is in echelon form. The matrix is in echelon form. Therefore, row of A is equal to, how many non-zero rows? Non-zero rows na இந்த ரோல ஜீரோவே இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஏதாவது ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் வந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு ரோல எலிமெண்ட் இருந்தாலும் this is non-zero row. அப்போ எத்தனை ரோஸ் இருக்கு? 1, 2, 3. So our row of A is 3. That's all. Thank you.